I work full-time.
I work part-time.
I work in an office.
I work from home.
I work with a small team.
I start work at 9.
I finish work at 5.
I usually have a busy day.
I sometimes work overtime.
I have a meeting today.
I often answer emails.
I work on different tasks.
I like my job.
My job is interesting.
My job can be stressful.
I work with colleagues.
My colleagues are friendly.
We work as a team.
I have a lot of responsibilities.
I try to stay organized at work.
I'm looking for a new job.
I'm applying for jobs.
I have a job interview soon.
I need to prepare for it.
I want to improve my skills.
Work is an important part of life.
I try to keep a good work-life balance.
I like finishing work on time.
I enjoy productive days.
I like learning new things at work.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's quite interesting.
What time do you start work?
At 9.
What time do you finish?
Around 5.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes.
Do you have a busy day today?
Yes, very busy.
Do you have any meetings today?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, a small team.
Are your colleagues friendly?
Yes, very.
Do you enjoy your work?
Most of the time.
Do you work overtime?
Sometimes.
Are you looking for a job?
Yes, at the moment.
Do you have an interview soon?
Yes, next week.
Are you preparing for it?
Yes, I am.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's comfortable.
Is your job stressful?
Sometimes.
Do you like your schedule?
Yes, it works well for me.
Do you learn new things at work?
Yes, all the time.
Do you have a good work-life balance?
I try to.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.